Sermon number 92. When people decided to swear allegiance to him, after the murder of Osman. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Leave me and seek someone else. We are facing a matter which has several faces and colors, which neither hearts can stand nor intelligence can accept. Clouds are hovering over the sky, and faces are not discernible. You should know that if I respond to you, I would lead you as I know and would not care about whatever one may say or abuse. If you leave me, then I am the same as you are. It is possible I would listen to and obey whomever you make in charge of your affairs. I am better for you as a counselor than as chief.